So, not long ago, I received these in the post from Resto Rob. Link to Rob's channel in the comments under this video. I've had these for a good few weeks now. I just haven't had a couple hours spare. Now I can concentrate on them. W&B, made in the USA, and W, USA. Number 1 and number 1. First of all, this one has got lots of pitting all over it. It was also chrome plated at some point. There's a tiny bit of chrome plating left there. But quite heavy with the pitting. This one, I don't think this was ever chrome plated. This one's also a bit heavy with the pitting. Right, time for the bench sander. The edges were exceedingly and squared off, so I'm rounding them off. Currently I'm using a 60 grit, but 120, a 240, a 400, and finally finish with 1000 grit. So I thought, as these come from Resto Rob and Rob likes his blue, I'll give bluing a go. This is a speeded up 30 minutes of the bluing liquid drying. It doesn't come out as I expected. I tried it again afterwards, give it another coat, still not as good. Not happy at all with this. So we got this that did start off quite shiny, but it had chrome still on it. Let's go for the old reflection test there. It's turned out quite well. And we've got this that the bluing went very wrong on. I'll clean that off at another date and give that a go, another go. But this side's come out very nice. So I'd like to thank Resto Rob for sending them to me. I hope they've cleaned up as well as enough as you would have done yourself on them. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening.